Homebrew is a free macOS utility that allows you to manage your applications. To install Homebrew, just paste this command given in the description. Enter your password and press enter. After the installation, paste this command which is also given in the description. Homebrew can do several things like searching, installing, managing, and uninstalling apps. To search for an app, type brew, search, and the app name. Find the right name for your app and install it by typing brew, install, and the app name. You can also install something like Python, which can be used directly within the terminal. You can list all installed applications by typing brew list. For removing an application, type brew, uninstall, and the app name. And we are done. Now there is so much more that Homebrew can do, but this is enough for a short guide. Thank you for watching.